Hello. This video I'm showcasing all of the artwork that I've created over the past few months. You'll see different colors, patterns, techniques throughout the video. This particular painting is called Tiffany Blue Bling Bling. There's actually a video of how to make this on my YouTube channel. So if you're interested and inspired, feel free to recreate it. All it is crushed glass, paint, and some spray paint. This is one of my favorite paintings. My friend, for her birthday, she requested a black and white painting for her home office. And so I was inspired with those colors, and here you have it. This is called Spilled Ink. And here's another favorite of mine. This was inspired by the paintings that I see in Gallerie. This is just some paint, spray paint, glitter, and there you have it. Thanks so much for watching. More to come.